What should you do to boost your productivity and enhance worker safety in your factory or warehouse? Advanced technology must play a key role in any solution you opt for. We introduce you to Rostek's AGV. Rostek's AGV is incorporated with autonomous driving technology and can operate without the installation of a network of lines. It can carry the payload up to 500 kilograms with the speed ranging from 0.8 meter per second to 1.2 meter per second. Here's how it works. When workers create orders, their requests are sent to the warehouse management system, which manages and schedules multiple AGVs in real time. The tasks are then assigned to an AGV, which then moves to the desired station. Upon its arrival, the AGV communicates with the station by optical sensors. Receiving the signal, the station unlocks the target roller rack so that the packets can be loaded onto the AGV. Arriving at the drop-off station, the AGV transfers the packets onto the destined racks, completing its mission. In ensuring maximum efficiency and productivity, an AGV can process multiple orders at the same time. Also, multiple AGVs can operate in the same area. High-priority AGVs can go first at intersections under the high-level control of the fleet management system. Equipped with Lidar and a camera, our AGV can perform localization and real-time object detection. It can identify the surrounding environment and make an emergency stop when encountering obstacles or in cases of urgent interferences. Also, our AGV is deeply integrated with machine learning, deep learning, and optimal control. Such functions and advantages enable the AGV to adapt quickly and easily to changing layouts, and more importantly, collaborate harmoniously with humans. Our AGV can operate for straight 8 hours. When its battery goes low, it can autonomously move to the charging station. We developed the core functionalities of our AGV on Qualcomm's RB5, which has GPU hexagon DSP acceleration with high-performance parallel computing capability. The AGV also takes advantage of RB5 supports in sensing, perception, and navigation. Above all, possessing practical insights into the local market, Rostek persistently strives for high-quality AGVs at a competitive price. We always work closely with our customers to understand their requests and provide them with highly customizable products. If you are seeking to build a smarter and safer factory or warehouse, our AGV will be your indispensable solution. Rostek, life is motion.